Right, we're here in Cort supporting Dom. He's about to arrive. Let's go see what he's got to say to the courthouse.
Here as a friend of the court, I believe there's been a mistake. I wish to seek remedy in the way of proper notice.
What's the next matter is Dominic Lohan, the LPS, on representative.
Is it Dominic Lohan?
Did you come up with that name yourself?
I'm asking if it's your name.
Is that the name that you require that's on the birth certificate?
Mr. Lohan, what is your name?
Are you addressing me?
I am addressing you.
Did you come up with that name, Mr. Lohan, yourself?
I did not.
Do you require the
Can
name
you
that's
tell
on the
us
birth
your
certificate?
name?
What, the name on the birth certificate?
Yes.
If it says Crown copyright on the birth certificate, how can I be liable for something that the Crown claims to own?
Do you want to give us the name that you're known by?
Well, if you require the name that is on the birth certificate, and if it says Crown copyright, how can I be liable for something that the Crown claims to own? If the Crown claims to own that name, pardon?
Do you want to give us a name which we can call you?
You may call me friend. I'm here as a friend of the court. I believe there's been a mistake. I wish to seek remedy in the way of a proper notice.
Well, you're here facing 3 offences. And I wanted to read them out. I've got 3 matters. I was going to read them out and ask if you're guilty or not guilty. Understand that you're not represented today. Are you in a position to enter a plea today for these matters?
It's my understanding that only the defendant enters the plea.
Well, it's our understanding that you're Mr. Lohan, so we're going to proceed as
Do you have any proof that I'm Mr. Lohan when this name is actually Crown copyright? So how can I be liable for something that the Crown owns?
So, sorry, we'll be checking those 3 offences?
Yes, 3 offences.
And you've got 3 matters? Right, okay. I'm going to read out these allegations, and I'm going to ask if you're guilty or not guilty. In relation to the cannabis matter, if you plead guilty, you may be dealt with in this court, but if the magistrates feel their sentencing powers are insufficient, you will be sent to Crown Court to be sentenced by a judge. If you plead not guilty or do not enter a plea, a decision will have to be made about where any trial is held, and that could be in this court or in the Crown Court before a jury. The allegation is that on the 9th of November of this year at St Paul's Churchyard that you had in your possession a quantity of cannabis, a controlled drug of Class B. For that matter, are you entering the plea today?
It's my understanding that only the defendant will enter the plea.
So you're not accepting that you're Dominic Lohan?
I'm making a claim that I am.
Have we got body scan evidence that this is Dominic Lohan, or do we have to put the matter back? I mean, we can put the matter back to another day.
I'll put it back because there's no evidence of who he is. That's cool.
Friend of the court does have legal standing though. Defined in Black's Law Dictionary. You may put that on.
There is an extensive criminal conviction history in the name
Where are these scans from?
I think they're at the police station.
Right.
Whether there's a light scan done or not does not actually complete the fact that the name is Crown copyright and you need that registered name. It's not my name it is, it's registered off the Crown.
Could you speak up, please, because I can't hear you. Could you speak up? Excuse me, could I ask him to speak up because I can't quite hear him? Sorry.
Just saying that the name that they require is the registered name on the birth certificate. All names that are registered, legal definition of register is transfer of title ownership. The Crown hold liability for the name because they have copyright to the name. So it cannot be my name. Is that correct?
Yes. Right. Since we are unable to establish who you are, we're going to remand you in custody till tomorrow morning so that there can be a body scan to identify you.
May I ask who you are?
You can go down now.
May I ask who you are?
I'm the chair of this court.
Have you got an
You
oath?
can go down now.
Do you have an oath?
Would you take him down, please?
Do you have an oath? You're not going to have one of this courtroom and prove who you are for the courtroom? Do you have an oath?
Ma'am, you are liable to answer that question now.
Do you have an oath?
All right. Go stand, please.
Under the Magistrates Act, he who leaves the courtroom loses the battle. Bye-bye.
Well done, Dom. We'll be here for you tomorrow, for brother.
My friend.